Sasuke said he was going to sever his bond with me and become stronger, and that I could never understand his feelings. Hey, you were friends with Orochimaru way back, right, Pervy Sage? Why did he desert the village and decide to destroy the Hidden Leaf?
Orochimaru went through a profound change after both his parents were killed, and that's when he became obsessed with forbidden jutsu. I don't know if he was trying to resurrect his parents or to wreak vengeance on the village that he held responsible for their deaths. My parents weren't killed, so... Like you, I was accused of not being able to understand anything about him or his feelings. Perhaps he was right, and I didn't understand a thing about him after all.
3, 2, 1. Here I am, repetitious, repeatedly, never ending, continuously, wheels turning, a wheel is strong, dying slow, living long, all alone. Here I am, right out of bed, on my own. Repetitious sit-ups, camels, no filter, quick hiccups, beer guts, smut, frown, stare, and disgust. No discussions to be had, they focused on his past, no worries. He never cared as long as it's the truth. Triple dog dare, overachieve even when the odds wasn't fair. Third eye stare, predictions based on intuition. He thinks he knows it all since his chakra started activating. All the queens say he's so spiritual, left their kundalini vibrating. Crown prince, born king. Anything outside of the music is heresy. No blasphemy, speak no fallacies. Galaxy to galaxy, known as your majesty. Biography, triumph out of tragedy. Bars reach capacity, rapidly analyzing situations. Better safe than sorry. Sounds. Here I am, repetitious, repeatedly, never ending, continuously. Wheels turning, will is strong, dying slow, living long, all alone. Here I am, right out of bed, on my own, all on my own. Here I am, repetitious, repeatedly, never ending, continuously.
Hey, kid!
Repetition, repeatedly, never ending, continuously. Wheels turning, our wheels are strong, dying slow, living long, all alone. Here I am, right out of bed, on my own.
Yes, sir, kids. We'll send you a real fabric with a secret money fund. Kaiser.
Back at it, my clitoris in the attic, spastic, geriatric, the youngest,
So get Kaiser.
OG. You see me across the seven seas, back across the pond, looking like James Bond kimono. Okay, chilling in the dojo, going in the too high, might kiss the sky.
Even I'm able to see that there's entirely too much hate in this shinobi world of ours.
There's too much hate?
I've always wanted to do something about all of this hatred. I'm just not quite sure how to go about it as of yet.
What's the rush? I'm coming from a preview of the new 54 Kaiser Knight.
I truly believe that eventually the day will come when all people will understand one another and live in harmony.
Boy, it sounds kind of complicated to me.
And if I can't find a solution to this problem, then perhaps I will trust you to find it instead. Eh, Arlington?
Yes, sir! I can't turn down a request from my master, can I, Pervy Sage? What? What the hell's so funny about that?
Your smile is my salvation.